Hi friends, I'm Vinod PG, a professional GIS practitioner and managing director of GeoWin Solutions Private Limited. I have a degree in physics, diploma in geoinformatics, and masters in computer applications. And since then, I had a fair amount of hands-on experience in geographic information system mapping, interpretation, and remote sensing. I have worked as a senior consultant, a knowledge executive, and a program director of different organizations. There are 35 publications which I have co-authored in different journals, including the latest one in Chemosphere of Elsevier. I am also a life member of Indian Society of Remote Sensing and Indian Society of Geomatics. I was born and brought up in Pallurthi, Kochi. My parents are Advocate Ian Gopinathan and Advocate Padmakumari. I am proud of my small family, including my wife, Dr. Hemasi Naya, working as junior chemist in Groundwater Department, Kozhikode, and my 15-year-old son Gopichand V. Menon studying in class 10. My younger brother Devkumar PG is a chartered accountant practicing at Kochi. These people in my life are an integral part of who I have become today. I would like to narrate you some events that happened in my professional life, which led to the forming of GeoWin Solutions. One of my friends approached me with a set of questions. It asked me, I am planning to buy a property or a land in Kochi. I would like to know whether this particular locality belongs to a waterlogged area during the floods. He gave me the coordinates of the location. If it is not a waterlogged area, then what are the public facilities that are available within 1 kilometer span from the property? He asked me to elaborate on terrain characteristic of the property. He also told to find out the land use pattern of the property 30 years ago. He also told me that he was expecting the answer the next day itself. At that time, it was a big target for me for giving a reply within a day. But I took it as a challenge and was able to give the report of findings in a nutshell form in the next day itself. After receiving the brief report, he asked me to give a detailed report with all the maps, observation, statistics, result and discussion, references, etc., which I could do. Thanks to the technology, Google Earth, Landsat images, and all the OpenSat source data available at that time. This was my first assignment which I did independently, and this brought many changes in my thinking towards a GIS career. With this reference, I started to get small assignments in which the clients needed the findings and report in the shortest available time, and I was able to deliver those. During my tenure with Center for Environment and Development, Dr. Babu Ambad sir, the then Executive Director of CED, gave me an opportunity to write down the technical proposal of a GIS project in Hyderabad. He had given me full freedom and time for doing the job. CED was awarded with this project, which in turn gave me the confidence for handling the technical proposal related with GIS technologies. August 2013, I resigned my job as program director from CED. After that, for 3 months, I was engaged in thought-sharing process with my well-wishers, gurus, my seniors and my family on how to extend my services in the field of GIS to the society. A private limited company named GeoWin Solutions was registered in 2013, and I thankfully remember Dr. A.R.R. Menon, retired scientist KFRI, Sri Deepu, Sri Dilip, Sri Balan sir, and Sri Sharath of A.A. Menon Associate, the Chartered Accountants, who extended the full support and help during the registration process of GeoWin Solutions. Till date, GeoWin Solutions has completed 12 projects and we have got 4 ongoing projects now. The thrust areas include terrain mapping, disaster management applications, flood simulation and modeling, utility services, water resource management, training in GIS and remote sensing, and drone mapping. You will get more details about our services from our website www.geowinsolutions.com. Geospatial technologies are always an helping hand in managing the environmental application. It can be used in terrain mapping, water resource management, utility services, base map preparation, tracking, etc. You can also use the GIS application for the prediction. Geoinformatics has played its role in mapping and managing of COVID-19 pandemic. Johns Hopkins University has come up with a dashboard which gives you the entire information about the COVID-19 pandemic. And in India also there is a website namely covid19india.org which gives you the entire information on the happenings of COVID. Our Kerala government has also come up with a informative dashboard on COVID-19. In GeoWind Solutions, our team includes Sri Nalina Kumar S, Director Projects, Ms. Shalina Elizabeth John as GIS Analyst, Engineer Nanma Girish, she is a consultant with us, Dr. Vishnu Mohan, Senior Geologist, Sri Arun Premachandran, a WebGIS expert. GeoWind Solutions also work in association with TechPool Consultancy Services, Tokyo Engineering Consultancy, TPLC Barton Hill, Amrita Vishwavidyapitham, School of Environmental Studies KUSAT, and Department of Civil Engineering SRM University. I wish the architects of Nestabay, Nanma Girish and Ben George and their team all the success. At this outset, I would like to remember a few personalities who have been close to my heart in all my endeavors. Late Professor Ian Radha, Head of the Department of Mathematics, Sri Kerala Varma College, Thrissur. Late Dr. Ravindranath, Head of the Department of Physics, Aquinas College, Idakochi. Sri K.V. Ravindran, Retired Scientist, ISRO. Dr. A.R.R. Menon, Dr. Patmanal D. Sri Ranjan Matthew Varghese, State Director, WWF. Dr. Babu Amba, Executive Director, CED. Sri Rajesh Ravindran, Dr. Paromida Chakravarti of SRM University, Ms. Ramya Saji of Rajdhani College of Engineering, and Sri Nalin Kumar S. Finally, just wanted to say that my aim in my life is to create awareness about GIS and related system through practical application that will help common people of our society to live a content life. I wish to guide and assist anyone who is interested to use GIS to visualize, question, analyze, and understand data about the world and human activity. Thank you.